Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily. I'm an artist. I post every Monday, so if you like my content, please like and subscribe. It'll help a lot. So yeah, and also follow my other social media accounts, my Instagram, my TikTok, and I have 2 Instagram accounts because I paint too. So if you like my paintings, go check that out too. It's La Emily Paints. Today we're picking up some stuff. Friday we're gonna be baking, or well, not really baking. You'll see what I want to do. And then Saturday we're doing the photo shoot. So I'm just gonna take you on this adventure on how I plan, produce, and post my photo shoots. So I hope you like this video. If you want more of this, let me know in the comments below. I hope everyone has a great day. Please like and subscribe. Let's get to it, baby. I just finished putting gas. So you know how you have to put it, like you put in your card to pay, right? And then you take it out, whatever. Simple. Now it gives you like a whole fucking questionnaire, like, oh, you want car wash today? Oh, you have a rewards program? Oh, you want to use your points? I just want to put fucking gas, bro. Oh my god. It's hot today. Wow. I'm back. So actually Walmart had everything that I needed, so I don't need to go to Goodwill. So happy. Thank you, Walmart. I did get tulips. Look at these tulips for spring. Aren't they cuters? And they're purple. I was gonna get the yellow ones. The yellow ones were beautiful, but I never had purple flowers, so I got purple flowers. Cause like, why not? This is how I prepare. Plan everything out, make list, then go shopping if I need to, and then setting up, and then shooting. So yeah, this is my process. And sorry, I get so uncomfortable when people like park next to me. I'm still getting used to this whole thing. And I parked like at the end of like the parking lot. People are still parking here, so they don't fucking care, but I still am like anyways, end of day 1, kind of, I'll shoot some of me like setting up the table, but I gotta run a couple errands for my dad. But yeah, so today we are making tiny desserts for the shoot. So I'm gonna call this segment Baking with Emily. Alright? But we're not really baking because I didn't have enough time to bake all the desserts that I wanted to, so I'm gonna keep it real and simple over here, okay? So I saw this TikTok of this woman, I'll link her down below, that she bought these little zebra cakes from this brand and these oatmeal cream pies, and she bought frosting and she stacked them together and she put the frosting and she did this and she made a small cake, and I was like, yes, I like that. Simple. All right, so I was getting really frustrated, and this frosting is very like sticky, and it's just I think I used the wrong one. I think I bought the wrong one. It just wasn't working, so I just made another one of these the little brownie thingies, and these actually worked okay. I made this little design right here. It looks cute. Yeah, I tried twice with the zebra cakes, and it just wasn't working. It just wasn't working for me, and I was getting really annoyed, and I freaking shit. But yeah, anyways, this is the end of my Bake with Emily segment. I love baking, and I wish I actually baked the mini cakes. Hey guys, so my daughter's sleeping, so I'm free to do whatever. Yeah, so I'm here because my model bailed on me and I don't have a model for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do another self-portrait shoot. I don't want to, but I want to finish this video and I want to take cool pictures, and I already got everything for it, so I'm just gonna do it today because tomorrow I want to edit the YouTube video, this video, and I want to write, so we're just gonna do it today. I hope you liked this video. This journey on YouTube has been really fun, and I like that I'm able to do something different each week and to experiment with my art, which I think is really cool. So thank you for watching. I love you all, and please like and subscribe and share this video. Bye.